Everyone, in today's video, and in this video, as you read in the title, I'm going to review Offio. So they are running lifetime deal of their premium membership on the Facebook and other social media platforms, and I bought this with my own money. So in this video I'm going to share my honest opinion. Now before starting the video, I want to answer a simple question: what is Offio exactly? Offio is a cloud-based solution for people those who are doing social media. So if you're doing social media advertisement, social media examiner, these kind of jobs, then you can consider this platform. There are a lot of pre-made templates that you can use for making your videos, or you can also make your videos from scratch using its pre-made assets. And except the videos, you can also make logo intro, and while making your videos, let's say that you want to save it as an image, then you can you can say take a screenshot and save that thing as an image. So this is also a really helpful feature. So let's see how we can make the video. So this is your dashboard, and if you want to make your video, you have two options. Either you can pick an size, or there is a custom size option as well, or you can go with the smart create. So smart create, in the smart create, you have to upload your logo or your product image. Then it will come with the best templates depending upon but depending upon our product or our logo. Okay, you can also use that. And in the left hand side under the my brands, you can upload your brand logo, and you can also upload your custom font as well, and you can choose color palette as well. Okay, these are some quick hacks that can save your times while making the video. So let's start a video. We will click on full HD, and we will go with the blank. So we are in the dashboard, and if you have used any other online video creation platform, it looks very similar. We have a preview window in the left hand side where we have our assets, and this is our timeline. You can expand it from here, and here right hand side where things keep changing. And by the way, it works in the storyboard. Okay, so we have a 5 seconds default storyboard. We can add a multiple storyboards, or we can increase the duration of 5 seconds. Obviously we can increase or decrease it as you want. So let's make a video. So first of all, I will go with the stocks, and here inside the video I will search for so here we have only 4 videos. Basically it is using API from the Unsplash, which is a free stock media website. And by the way, as you can see in the at the top, we have a lot of options. For example, we can replace the video. We have filters, a lot of filters available inside the Offio. Then we can adjust, we have a blend mode. I wasn't expecting blend mode inside the Offio. It is really useful, and some basic color controls that we can use. And then obviously trim, that is a must, and then we have effects. This is also very helpful. You want to drop a shadow, blur, or reflection, or ground shadow. And here we have animation, position, or transparency. And now let me add an title. So I will click on add a heading, and here, then here in the font I will there are a lot of font families available. I will use this Alpha Slav, and inside the effect I will turn on text background, and yeah, I will select this color. And then for the alignment I will center it also in the middle, its height. Okay, so this is our preview. Let's check it default preview. Yeah, and let me decrease it to 3.5 seconds. We can also, so yeah, it's perfect. And now what we will do, we will add a new storyboard, blank. You can also pick a specific storyboard from another template. Then I will edit it, and here if I want to show you YouTube as making money online options, so here So now let's go with the graphics. So in the graphics you can find all the animated things. I mean, this is the main reason why you want to buy this platform. So here, as you can see, everything is divided into multiple categories. We have graphics, we have overlays, and we have effects. So for here I will search for YouTube. Maybe we can search for a camera. Okay, and if you want to preview, just hover over your mouse and it will show you in preview. I want to use this thing. It is not loading this thing, I don't know. So let's place it here, and here we will write become a YouTuber. And by the way, inside the text we have a lot of pre-made templates as well that you can customize. What I found, these are some best for if you are dealing in the e-commerce industry or you have some restaurant, then you will find it really helpful. But not for my case. I will add a heading, and for the font I will click on this color, and this is your brand colors. You can also use them, and you can also pick the gradient color for your text as well. And one of the thing that we miss in the last storyboard is a animation. So obviously we can animate the things as we like. So for the animation, we have three options. You can apply in animation, the when entrance animation and out animation. You can apply from here by clicking on plus button, then select the animation, or you can apply from this animate thing. So we entrance, entering, then emphasis the in between part, and then we have a exit. And I want to apply line by line. I will select by pin from from the left hand sidebar, and for the exit what I will do, I will apply by out, and I will select the right. Yeah, and let's also make it to 2.5 seconds. And now one more thing that we forget is the music. So what we can do, obviously we need one music for the whole video. For that's why I will come to the first slide, and here I will go in the music, and here obviously we can search for a specific music, and we can also sort music according to categories. For this video I want to go with the happy music, and there is a, if you want to upload your own music, obviously you can do. So let's not waste any more time. Click on this crazy for you, and we can apply fade in and fade out, and this is our trim. So you want to start where your music is start for this specific slide. For the upcoming slide it will select the next part. So I want to start from the scratch and done trimming. Okay, now we can preview the two slides. If you want to preview the whole video or how many slide board that you have made, then click on play all. So let's okay, perfect. And then we can add our next storyboard blank, and then I edit it. Again go to text, our image position is upward. So what we can do, click on the position, we can do move backward, or we can also adjust from here like this. This is up to you. And I think there is no, okay, so that's how we can apply for the and one more thing. Let's say that I want to animate whole things at once, so I will select also photo from here, then I will click on animate. So it will animate whole things at once. So for this I will select fade in. Okay, and for the exit I will select fade out. Okay, so let's check and preview. Yeah, and decrease it to 3.5 seconds. All right, so we have created a 3 slides. Now one more thing that we can do, we can add a transition. There are not a lot of transitions inside the Offio while making this video, but still we can do. Okay, so for this I will use push, and for this I will use roll. And when you done your editing, you want to finally export is as a video, then click on this download button. And as I told you that you can also take a screenshot of a specific time frame and save it as an image. So this is the feature that I was talking about. So you can click on the choose frame, then you can move your video, then you can save as JPG and PNG as you like. And for the video, then click on this video and you can save in the MP format. So one of the thing that I don't like or I miss is there is no direct feature of uploading on the YouTube and other social media platforms. I mean, of you knows we are making it for the social media, and there is no direct button of uploading on social media. This thing is I really miss. So now enough for the tutorial. Let's talk about pros and cons of this cloud-based solution. So start with the pros. I think first of all, you have a lot of pre-made assets inside the graphics, and using Offio is pretty easy to use. I didn't find any difficulties. I mean, anybody can use this platform. And another pros and another pro, it is a one-time sale, so you are not paying any monthly fees. This is also, you can also consider it as a advantage over other platforms. And another advantage of this platform is you have a background remover. So I told you that it is also a graphic design platform. So if we select this image, and actually this is a video, we have to select an image from the stock, or you can upload your own image as well. So let's pick in this image. So here is remove BZ. You are getting 40 credits for every month. I have already used 1 credit, and there is no one object that we can use, so maybe we have to pick a different template. So I can show you a demo of how good it's image background remover. I think they are using some kind of API, but I'm not sure. So let's pick really simple image and click on remove BG, and then remove background. Yes, remove. And so yeah, it works pretty well. Obviously if you are in the background remover, maybe you have to use a separate tool. Now coming to the limitation of this platform, one of the I think biggest limitation is you can't use custom animation. So let's say for this thing we want to animate go from here to here. We can't do that. We can apply on animation, how things will appear. We have pre-made animation. We basically, there is no custom animation. That's the thing that I'm talking about. And the second is there is no direct uploading button for the social media platforms, which I assume they will add in the future, but I'm not sure about it. Let's see. So yeah, pretty much that is for this video. And I now before closing this video, I want to answer this question: does this platform worth it? I think definitely if you are in the social media, or you're looking for something like this, then definitely this platform is worth it. So there are new company, maybe we can assume they will add more features in the future and make it even better, but still so far I found it good enough that anybody can use it, and it has all the necessary requirements for making good enough videos. So that is for this video. I hope you like it. If you have any question or query, let me know by the comment section. I will happy to reply you. Thank you everyone for watching the video.